Yo, what up everybody, SlyDemon here, and today we are going to be opening the Corsair Lights XQ140 RGB kit and the single pack to show the difference. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to have my computer rebuild description in the description, all my cool products I'm putting in the PC. So if you guys could actually click those links and purchase the products through the link, that'd be great. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we got the QX140 RGB here, starter kit. I bought 3 of them because my new case can hold 11 fans, right? So we'll give it a go. All right, so it comes nicely packaged, so you can actually pick it up from the back. So let's pull it out. So they actually come connected. How do you take them apart? Let's see. So it's magnetic. Let's pull them apart. Just very, very cool. And then they just click right back in. No screws, no nothing. Look at that. Not falling off. That's cool. That's cool. All right, front and back look like to be the same. However, on one side of the fan, they do have the temperature gauge right here. So that's pretty nice. Built-in fan temp. All right, so let's see what else is in the box. So it looks like we got the IQ Link system here. So pretty much the plug, it's magnetic, so it will hold to anything that is metal. So it'll easily attach to your computer case right here. All right, so it looks like we have one port on this side, one port on this side. And it looks like we got some stuff that gets plugged in here. So let's find out what all that stuff is, right? Okay, so which is nice. It does come with a 600 millimeter cable. Is that all this is? Is the cable? So let's see. How does this go? Oh, okay, cool. It comes with a short one and a long one. Okay, good. Both the same end on each side. Okay, cool. So it looks like one will be plugged into the system itself, and then one only for the fan, just one, right? So, all right, let's plug that in. Cool. Or you can actually... Okay, nice. There you go. Look at that. For 2 fans, it's one plug. One plug. Look at that. It's freaking amazing. Okay, cool. All right, let's see what else we get. What's in this box? All right, we did get some, looks like extra plugs here for these guys. So I guess you just put them in there. And then, okay, cool. So, got one side, the other side. And we just plug them in. Okay, cool. I like it. I like it a lot. And the fans are big. Okay, it looks like we have a PCIe here for the PC, and it looks like this will plug into the controller. However, this cable is not very long, but your power supply should honestly be right next to it, right? That's the hope, at least. Okay, cool. Got that. We also have a USB-C here. Right here. So it looks like this will be connected to the motherboard to a USB 2.0. Okay, cool. Looks like we got some mounting screws. And it came with some double-sided tape here too, just in case. Yeah, what are those tiny screws going to be used for? No idea. Alright, let's see. Warranty guide, blah, 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 blah. Safety information. Okay, looks like that is it. So it came with a bunch of screws, but like, what the hell are they going to be used for? Like, one screw, literally, is half of it. So that is odd. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the single fan. Alright, so you just have the plugs there. Got both sides capped. Alright. Let's see, does it come with anything? Okay, so this one comes with a... Alright, it comes with some things for the blocks. But it does, at least you get one of these here at a 90-degree angle. Flat plugs. So that's cool. That's cool. At least it came with one cable, right? However, it did not come with another large one of these. So I'm thinking this one will be used for the back of the water cooler to the random fan for the back. I think that's how it's going to work. I did buy 2 extra of these. Should I have bought another one of these cables? Probably not. I think I'm okay. I think I'll be okay. Thinking prevailed, right? So if I actually wanted to hook the third one up, honestly, we could just do this. Now look at this. 3 fans are right here. You can hold it by the middle. They're not falling off. That's great. Wow. Impressive. Yeah, so the new case can hold 10 140mm fans. So we got 10. Looking forward to it. And then you also have the connector piece that comes with as well, which is cool. Let's see, these will be 3 and 3. So yes, let's do it. Let's just go ahead and plug in the third one right now. All right, so we'll do another video once they're installed. Check out the RGB, check out the fan temps. So yeah. All right, cool. Here's the latest and the greatest from Corsair. All the links will be below. They are on sale right now. The 140mm are on sale. $40 off for the kit. So use that link and buy them. Thanks for watching.